Have you ever written your own marketplace application to replace one that was neither secure nor fast, but was your only option? That is exactly what two Dutch teenagers, Robin and Martin, did. They developed a full-featured Swift client-side mobile application for longboards. They leveraged their Swift knowledge for server-side development. Together with their father Frank, they took existing Kicks application on ZOS and exposed it as a REST API with ZOS Connect. Then, they used IBM's open-source web framework, Kitura, written in Swift, that runs natively on ZOS for calling the APIs. Additionally, they leveraged PL1 routines to store order information in a DB2 table. Their business partner ICU helped set up an IBM Cloud private environment on Linux One for additional mid-tier scalability and added features. The mid-tier application also used the Kitura Swift combination. A NoSQL CouchDB database was added to enhance the data with product images. If the initial request were to come from a web browser instead of a mobile application, the Kitura framework would act as an advanced web server and render a server-side HTML. Want to see the story of an all-millennial full-stack development team? Follow the link in the description.